The R500 LVLP Paint Gun is designed to deliver a smooth finish with minimal overspray, making it a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its efficient design allows for a paint savings of 20%, ensuring that you get the most out of your materials while reducing the time spent on cleaning. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy with a pure copper atomizer cap, this spray gun is built to endure various painting scenarios effortlessly. With 4 interchangeable nozzle sizes, the R500 accommodates a wide range of high-viscosity coatings, making it versatile for tasks like automotive refinishing and home repair. The comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started, from multiple nozzle sizes to a cleaning kit, ensuring you are fully equipped for any project. Backed by responsive customer service, the R500 Paint Gun provides users with peace of mind and satisfaction throughout their painting endeavors.